ever wondered how close we are to realizing the full potential of biotechnology in health and wellness? It's a thought that may have crossed your mind as you hear about the advancements in this fascinating field. Biotechnology, the marriage of biology and technology, holds immense promise for the future of health and wellness. It's a realm where microscopic cells are manipulated and optimized, where genes are edited and diseases are targeted with laser-like precision. It's a world where the line between science fiction and reality blurs, and the impossible becomes possible. The potential benefits are enormous. From personalized treatments to pioneering prevention strategies, biotechnology could redefine our understanding of health and wellness. It's crucial, though, that we understand this complex field, because it's not just about the science. It's about the impact on our lives, our societies, and our planet. So, buckle up for an exciting journey. Let's explore the latest breakthroughs in biotech that are revolutionizing healthcare. In the past few years, we have witnessed unprecedented progress in the field of gene editing. This revolutionary field of biotechnology has opened up a world of possibilities, having the potential to rewrite the very blueprints of life itself. So, what is gene editing, you ask? Well, imagine being able to edit the genes within our DNA, much like how a writer edits a manuscript. This technology allows scientists to add, delete, or rearrange bits of DNA, essentially altering the genetic makeup of an organism. The ramifications of such a tool are vast, from creating more resilient crops to potentially curing genetic diseases. The latest advancements in this field have been largely due to the development of a tool called CRISPR. Short for clustered, regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. CRISPR is a technology that has revolutionized gene editing by making it more precise, efficient, and accessible than ever before. It's like going from using a pair of scissors to a scalpel when editing DNA. CRISPR technology has been likened to a molecular Swiss Army knife. It can be programmed to target specific stretches of genetic code and to edit DNA at precise locations. This allows scientists to modify genes in living cells and organisms, and in the future may make it possible to correct mutations at precise locations in the human genome to treat genetic causes of disease. The potential for gene editing in health is enormous. Imagine a world where genetic disorders, such as cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia, can be treated at their genetic root, eliminating the disease altogether. This is no longer the stuff of science fiction, but a reality we are inching closer to every day. In conclusion, gene editing, and in particular the advancements in CRISPR technology, is a game changer in the field of biotechnology. It's a tool that could potentially revolutionize healthcare and the way we treat genetic disorders. Indeed, gene editing brings us a step closer to eradicating genetic diseases. The era of one-size-fits-all medicine is gradually becoming a thing of the past, thanks to the advent of precision medicine. Imagine a world where doctors don't just treat diseases based on the general symptoms and average response to drugs. Instead, they take into account the unique genetic makeup of each individual, their lifestyle, and even their environment. That's the promise of precision medicine, an approach that allows doctors to select treatments that are most likely to help patients based on a genetic understanding of their disease. This approach is a radical departure from traditional healthcare methods. In the past, doctors had to rely on a trial-and-error approach, prescribing the same treatment to all patients with a particular disease and hoping it would work. This often led to ineffective treatments, unnecessary side effects, and wasted time and resources. But with precision medicine, the guessing game is eliminated. Doctors can now predict which treatment will work best for each patient. This means fewer side effects, more effective treatments, and ultimately, better patient outcomes. Now, let's talk about some recent advancements in this field. Researchers are now able to sequence an individual's entire genome at a reasonable cost, something that was unthinkable just a few years ago. This allows them to identify genetic variations that can influence how a person's body responds to certain medications, making it possible to customize treatment plans. Furthermore, scientists are developing tests to predict a patient's risk of developing certain diseases, such as cancer or heart disease, based on their genetic profile. By identifying these risks early, doctors can take preventive measures to reduce the likelihood of these diseases developing. In addition, research is underway to create targeted therapies for a range of diseases, from cancer to autoimmune disorders. These therapies are designed to target specific genetic mutations that cause disease, offering hope for conditions that were once considered untreatable. Precision medicine is indeed a game changer, enabling tailor-made treatments for individual patients. This isn't just about improving the lives of those currently suffering from diseases. It's about preventing diseases from occurring in the first place, and it's about creating a healthcare system that is efficient, effective, and personalized. This is the future of medicine, and it's happening right now. The field of synthetic biology is another arena where biotechnology is making significant strides. Synthetic biology is a fascinating blend of biology and engineering. It's not just about understanding the intricacies of life's building blocks. It's about using that knowledge to create new biological parts, devices, and systems. Imagine being able to design organisms with tailor-made traits or constructing biological systems that perform specific tasks. That's the power of synthetic biology. This field has seen numerous breakthroughs in recent times. One of the most notable is the creation of synthetic organisms. A few years back, scientists managed to create a bacterium with a completely synthetic genome. This was a landmark moment in synthetic biology, demonstrating that life as we know it can be artificially constructed from scratch. But the potential of synthetic biology goes far beyond creating life. It has the power to revolutionize various sectors, including health. For instance, synthetic biology could pave the way for personalized medicine. Imagine having treatments designed specifically for your unique genetic makeup, drastically increasing the effectiveness of therapies and reducing side effects. Moreover, synthetic biology holds promise in the field of organ transplantation. Scientists are working on engineering synthetic organs that could potentially eliminate the need for organ donors and the risk of organ rejection. Another exciting development is the use of synthetic biology in creating environmental biosensors. These are organisms engineered to detect specific environmental pollutants, providing an innovative, eco-friendly solution to monitor and manage pollution. Synthetic biology, with all its breakthroughs, is also raising important ethical and safety questions. As we tread into uncharted territories, we must ensure that the benefits outweigh the risks and that necessary precautions are in place. But one thing is for certain: the possibilities with synthetic biology are vast, and we're only scratching the surface. It's like stepping into a new world, where biological systems can be designed and controlled with precision, opening doors to numerous breakthroughs that can change the way we live. Synthetic biology, with its limitless potential, is undoubtedly a field to watch out for in the coming years. The advent of nanotechnology in medicine is another milestone in the field of biotechnology. Imagine a world where tiny, invisible robots swim through our bodies, repairing damaged cells, delivering drugs with pinpoint precision, and diagnosing diseases before we even know we're sick. This may sound like science fiction, but it's the reality of nanotechnology in medicine. Nanotechnology refers to the manipulation of matter on an atomic and molecular scale. In medicine, this translates to particles so small that hundreds of thousands could fit on the head of a pin. These particles, known as nanoparticles, have unique properties that can be harnessed for a variety of health applications. One of the most promising applications of nanotechnology in medicine is drug delivery. Traditional methods of drug delivery can be like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut, affecting healthy cells as well as diseased ones. Nanoparticles, however, can be designed to deliver drugs directly to the affected cells, minimizing side effects and maximizing efficacy. Imagine, for instance, a cancer treatment that targets only the cancerous cells, leaving the healthy ones untouched. In addition to drug delivery, nanotechnology can revolutionize diagnostics. Nanoparticles can be engineered to bind to specific biomarkers, lighting up under a microscope and revealing diseases in their earliest stages. This could lead to earlier diagnoses and more effective treatments. Nanotechnology also has the potential to transform surgical procedures. Nanorobots could perform surgeries from the inside out, repairing tissues at a cellular level and minimizing the trauma associated with traditional surgery. The latest advancements in nanotechnology are bringing these concepts closer to reality. Scientists are developing nanoparticles that can deliver insulin to diabetics, nanorobots that can clear blocked arteries, and nanosensors that can detect cancer cells in the blood. Nanotechnology in medicine promises to bring about a paradigm shift in the way we approach health and wellness. The future of medicine may well be tiny, but its potential impact is anything but. The development of personalized vaccines is another significant breakthrough in the field of biotechnology. Just as the name suggests, personalized vaccines are designed to cater to the unique genetic makeup of each individual. This is a major shift from the traditional one-size-fits-all approach to immunization. Let's break it down. Everyone's immune system is distinct, heavily influenced by our genetic makeup. This means that the way our bodies respond to diseases and vaccines can significantly vary from person to person. Personalized vaccines harness this understanding, tailoring the vaccine to match the individual's unique genetic profile. The result? A significantly improved effectiveness of immunization. So how does it work? It starts with a thorough genetic analysis of the individual. Scientists sequence your DNA, identifying the specific genes that influence your immune response. This information is then used to design a vaccine that is most likely to stimulate a robust and effective immune response in your body. This highly personalized approach has the potential to revolutionize our fight against infectious diseases. Imagine a world where vaccines are not just effective, but optimally effective for each and every individual. That's the promise of personalized vaccines. The latest advancements in this field are nothing short of remarkable. For instance, scientists are now exploring personalized vaccines for cancer treatment. By identifying the unique mutations in a patient's tumor, they can create a vaccine that trains the immune system to specifically target and destroy those cancer cells. This approach is currently being tested in clinical trials, and the early results are promising, but we're just scratching the surface. The possibilities are endless, from personalized flu shots to vaccines for complex diseases like HIV. With the rapid advancements in genomics and biotechnology, the era of personalized vaccines is not a distant dream, but a reality within our grasp. Personalized vaccines could well be the future of immunization strategies. This is not just a game changer for healthcare, but a testament to the incredible power and potential of biotechnology. These breakthroughs in biotechnology have not only revolutionized healthcare, but also promised to shape our future. We've journeyed through an array of fascinating breakthroughs in biotechnology, each with its unique potential to transform the healthcare landscape. Let's take a moment to reflect on these advancements and ponder their implications. First, we delved into the world of gene editing, a groundbreaking technique that allows us to rewrite the very code of life. With this, we have the potential to eradicate genetic diseases even before birth, opening a new chapter in preventive medicine. Then, we explored the realm of precision medicine, a personalized approach that tailors treatment to the individual's unique genetic makeup. This could mean the end of one-size-fits-all treatments, leading us towards a future where every patient receives treatment designed specifically for them. Our journey continued with synthetic biology, a field that merges biology and engineering to create new life forms, or redesign existing ones. This could lead to the creation of new drugs, biofuels, and even synthetic organs, revolutionizing transplantation. We also ventured into the microscopic world of nanotechnology in medicine. Tiny particles with huge potential, these can deliver drugs directly to diseased cells, improving the efficacy of treatments and minimizing side effects. Finally, we discovered personalized vaccines, a cutting-edge innovation that could revolutionize the way we fight diseases. By tailoring vaccines to individual immune responses, we could enhance their effectiveness and potentially outsmart even the most elusive viruses. The implications of these breakthroughs are profound. Biotechnology holds the promise of a future where diseases are not just managed, but prevented or even cured. It opens the door to a world where health and wellness are within everyone's grasp, not just the fortunate few. Yet, it's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. As we navigate this brave new world of biotechnology, we must ensure that these advancements are used ethically and equitably to benefit all of humanity. As we continue to unlock the potential of biotechnology, we move closer to a future where health and wellness are not just a hope, but a reality. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.